Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a word that confuses many people. Receipt. So, how do you say it? Here's the correct pronunciation. Receipt. Let's break it down, step by step. The first part is re, like in the word repeat. And the second part is seat, which rhymes with seat. Now say it with me, receipt. One more time, receipt. Great job. So, what does receipt mean? It's a piece of paper or digital proof that shows you've paid for something, like when you buy coffee, clothes, or groceries. Did you know the P in receipt is silent? That's because the word comes from the Latin receptor, meaning received. The silent P was added later to match similar Latin words. Here's a quick spelling tip. It's spelled R-E-C-E-I-P-T. And don't pronounce the P. It's receipt, not recept. Now that you know how to pronounce receipt, you can say it with confidence, whether you're shopping, getting reimbursed, or keeping track of expenses. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little help with their pronunciation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!